Good morning, students. Second chapter Algebra, Standard 11, Exercise 2.2. First sum. Find the x if 1 divided by 6 factorial plus 1 divided by 7 factorial equal to x divided by 8 factorial. We should find out the x value. Solution. Given 1 divided by 6 factorial plus 1 divided by 7 factorial equal to x divided by 8 factorial. N factorial equal to n into n minus 1 into etc. 1 up to 1 we should multiply. So we should take it 1 divided by 6 factorial plus 1 divided by 7 factorial is 7 into 6 factorial equal to x divided by 8 factorial. We should write 8 into 7 into 6 into etc. So 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. We should take 1 divided by 6 factorial is common. 1 divided by 6 factorial is common. What is remaining here? 1 plus 1 divided by 7. 1 by 6 factorial is common equal to x divided by 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. 1 by 6 factorial we should take a right hand side. It's a reciprocal. 1 plus 1 by 7 equal to x divided by 8 into 7 into 6 factorial into its reciprocal is right side 6 factorial divided by 1. 6 factorial cancel. 1 7s are 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 7 equal to x divided by 8 into 7. So we should take 8 into 7 is the left hand side. 8 divided by 7 into 8 into 7. It's a cross multiple here. Equal to x. 7 7 cancel. 8 8s are 64 equal to x. Therefore, x equal to 64. Second sum, evaluate n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial when n equal to 5 and r equal to 2. Solution. Given n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. We know that n equal to 5, r equal to 2. We should substitute this value here. N is what? 5 factorial divided by r is 2 factorial into n is 5 minus r is 2 minus 2 factorial. We should write it 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial. We should write its expansion value. 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It is a 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 2 into 1 into 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. Now 2 to cancel, 3, 3 cancel, 2 and 4 is cancelled 2 times. Multiple this 5 to the 10. 10 into 1 is 10. Divided by 1 into 1 is 1 equal to 10. Third sum, if n plus 2 factorial equal to 60 into n minus 1 factorial, find n. Given n plus 2 factorial equal to 60 into n minus 1 factorial. n plus 2 factorial is, we should write n plus 2 into, next 1 minus, then n plus 1, again 1 minus, then n into, again 1 minus n minus 1 factorial equal to 60 into n minus 1 factorial. n minus 1 factorial, we should take a right hand side, n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n equal to 60 into n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial. Now n minus 1 factorial cancel. Therefore n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n equal to 60. 60 we should write n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n equal to 60 is, we should write 5 into 4 is 20. 20 into 3 is what? 60. So compare this n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n is 5 into 4 into 3. So it is in order n plus 2, 1 minus then n plus 1, 1 minus then n. Here 5, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 1, 3. So it is equal order. Therefore n equal to 3. n equal to 3. Suppose we should take a n plus 2 equal to 5, then n equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. So n value is 3. Fourth sum, how many 5 digits telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 6, 7 with no digits appears more than once. So 0 to 9 is the numbers, we should take it. Start the telephone number is 6, 7. Another one condition is given, no digits appears more than once. One digit, one number is only once we should appear here. Then we should find out that how many 5 digits telephone numbers. It's a total number of 5 digit telephone numbers we should find out. Solution. The first 2 digits we know that 6, 7. After that 3 digits, how many ways we should find out. For a 5 digits number starts with 6, 7. 5 digit numbers start with 6, 7. Next 3 digits only we should substitute here. So we have to fill the unit place unit place, tens place, hundred place. So we should fill up here. Unit place can be filled up in 8 ways. Unit place is 8 ways is possible using the numbers 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Why? Here 6 and 7 already we got the first two digits. Except 6 and 7, how many numbers here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. So total number is 8. So 8 way is possible. Now any one number used for this unit place. Again next is 7 numbers only here remaining. 0 is we should take unit place, then remaining is what? 7 numbers. Or we should take 1 remaining 7 numbers. 2 then except 2 7. 3 then except 3 7 numbers. So any one number we should take from 8 numbers. Remaining is 7 ways here. Tens place can be filled up in 7 ways. Why? 7 numbers only here. So 7 ways. Since repetition is not allowed. Here repeated number is not allowed. So this 7 numbers, any one number we should take for tens place. Remaining is 6 numbers only. So 6 numbers only we should take a next way. We should use hundreds place can be filled up in 6 ways only. 6 numbers only there, so 6 ways. Remaining 6 numbers we should arrange, then we get telephone numbers. The total number of 5 digits telephone numbers equal to 6, 7 already substitute, fill up this table. So remaining, that is ones only we should take 6 ones, 7 also ones. But these 3 digits unit place is what? 8 times. So 8 ways into, next tens place is 7 ways into 7 plus hundreds place is 6 ways. So into 6. We should multiple, then we get 336. So the total number of 5 digits telephone numbers we should form 336 numbers is possible. Telephone number. That's all. Fifth sum. How many number lesser than 1000 can be formed using the digits 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 if no digit is repeated? So no digits is repeated. Solution. So we should use 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These numbers only we should use. So how it's a number of lesser than 1000 we should find out. No numbers is repeated. Solution. Any number less than 1000 will have 3 digits, 2 digits or 1 digit. We should take a 5, 4, 3. Case 1 with 3 digits, 3 digits numbers. Unit place can be filled up in how many ways? 5 ways. Unit place can be filled with 5 ways. Why? It's a number, total number is what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total number of numbers is 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that numbers is using the numbers. What is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So unit place is how many ways? 5 ways. Why 5 numbers unit place? So one number we should take for unit place, any one number. Then remaining is how many numbers? 4 numbers there. Tens place can be filled up in 4 ways. Why? Remaining is what? 4, any 4 numbers. These 3, these 5, any 4 numbers we should take for tens place. Why? Unit place is one number already we should take from these numbers. Here, since repetition is not allowed, repeated number is not allowed, so one number, except one number, remaining is 4 numbers, so 4 ways for tens place. Next, after this tens place, next is hundreds place. Hundreds place is we should take 4 minus 1 is 3 ways. Why? Here tens place, remaining 4 numbers, one number already we should use for tens place. Remaining is what? 3 numbers. So 3 ways. Hundreds place can be filled up in 3 ways. So 3 digits forward. Unit place, tens place, hundreds place. The total number of numbers less than 1000 is unit place is what? 5 into tens place is 4 into hundreds place is 3. So 5 into 4 into 3 equal to 60. It's multiple, then we get 5 4s are 20. 20 into 3 is 60. This is a case 1. Next, case 2 with 2 digits. 2 digits number we should formed. For example, 4, 5. This is a 2 digit number. Unit place can be filled up in 5 ways. Why? 5 numbers there. What is a 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total number is what? 5 numbers. So 5 ways for unit place. Next, tens place can be filled up in 5 minus 1. One number used, then it's not repeated number is we should use again. So 4 ways. Except one number, what is the 4 ways for tens place? Number of 2 digits numbers equal to unit place is 5 into tens place is 4. 4 into 5 equal to 20. Case 3 with 1 digit number. 1 digit number is we should use 5 ways is possible. There are 5. Why? 5 is one number, 6 is another one number, 7 is another next number, 8 is next number, and last number is 9. Except these 5 numbers is not possible to use other numbers. So 5 ways is possible. So 5 numbers only. 1 digit numbers only 5 numbers. The numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. From case 1, 2 and 3, the total number of numbers less than 1000 will be. So 3 digit number how many? 3 digit number is 60. Next 2 digit number how many? 20. Next 1 digit number 5. So 60 plus 20 plus 5 equal to, we should add, then 60 plus 20 is 80. 80 plus 5 is 85. That's all. Next is a permutation definition. The number of arrangements that can be made out of n things. Total number of things is what? N things. Number of things. N means number. Any number we should take. Taking or at a time is called the number of permutation of n things taking or. So we should take any number r, that is less than n. Any number or things we should take at a time. It is called the number of permutation of n things taking or at a time. Or also one of the number. So definition, it's a permutation is a total number of things is n things. We should take from n things or at a time. At a time we should take or things. It is called permutations. Notation. If n and r are two positive integers such that 0 less than or equal to or less than or equal to n. So then the number of all permutations of n distinct things taken or at a time is denoted by, we should write it a permutation of n comma r. N is the total number of things, r is a take at a time. At a time we should take that things is r. Or we should write like this n p suffix r. Theorem we should write it n p r equal to, this is a formula, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. It is without proof. We should take it. Theorem n p r equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. It is a very important formula for permutation. Results. The first one is 0 factorial equal to 1. Second, n p naught equal to, we know that the formula n p r is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N p naught means n is n same, n factorial divided by n minus r is 0. 0 factorial equal to n factorial divided by n minus 0 is n factorial. So n factorial cancel, its value is 1. Third result is np1 equal to, r is what, 1. We should substitute n factorial divided by n minus r is 1 factorial. We should write like this, n factorial is n into n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial. So n minus 1 factorial cancel, its value is what, n. So np1 is what, n. Next, fourth result, npn equal to, formula is n is n factorial divided by n minus or also n minus n factorial equal to n factorial divided by n minus n is 0 factorial. We know that 0 factorial is what, 1 is the value. So n factorial divided by 1 equal to n factorial. So npn is equal to n factorial. Next, fifth result, npr equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into etc. n minus of r minus 1 is the value. npr is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 etc. n minus r minus 1. This is the value. These are some important results. Exercise 2.3 first sum. If np4 equal to 12 into np2, find n. Given np4 equal to 12 into np2. We know that the formula npr equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. We should use this formula here. np4, n is n factorial divided by n minus r is a 4, n minus 4 factorial equal to 12 np2. n is n, so n factorial divided by n minus r is a 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial, n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial equal to 12 into n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial. We should write like this: n minus 2, next 1 minus, then n minus 3, next 1 minus, then n minus 4 factorial. Both sides n minus 4 factorial and n minus 4 factorial cancel. N factorial equal to, here n factorial also cancel. 1 equal to 1 timer, so 1 equal to 12 divided by n minus 2 into n minus 3. Now cross multiple here. N minus 2, 1 into n minus 2 is n minus 2 into n minus 3 equal to 12. Multiple this value, or we should write n minus 2 into n minus 3. It's like this, we should write it 4 into 3. So n minus 2 is 4, n minus 3 is 3. We should take it 4 into 3. This n minus 2 is one number, then 4 is the number. Next minus 1, then we get another number n minus 3. So here 4 minus 1, then we get another one number is what? 3. So anyone take, we should take n minus 2 equal to 4 or n minus 3 equal to 3. N equal to 4 minus 2 we should take right hand side plus 2, or n equal to 3 minus 3 we should take right hand side plus 3. N equal to 6. Therefore n equal to what is the value? 6. That's all. Second sum. In how many ways 5 boys and 3 girls can be seated in a row so that no 2 girls are together? 2 girls is not possible to together sitting. Solution: the 5 boys can be seated in a row in 5p5 ways. We know that npn is equal to n factorial is the formula. So 5p5 equal to 5 factorial base. 5 factorial. In each of these arrangements, 6 places are created shown by the cross marks as given below. So cross marks is given. So seater created the seat is what is here, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, and then etc. Since no two girls are to sit together, no two girls sit together here. So arrange three girls in 6 places. We should arrange 3 girls in 6 places is possible. Therefore, 3 girls can be seated in 6p3 ways. Total number of things is what? 6. 3 girls, so 6p3 ways, permutations. Hence, the total number of seating arrangements equal to 6p5 into 6p3. Here 5p5 into 6p3. So it's a first one is a 5p5 into, next is a 6p3 ways, so 6 into p3. So we should find out this value. 5 p5 is, we know that 5 factorial into 6p3. We know that the formula npr equal to, what is the formula? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here n is a 6 factorial divided by n minus, n is what? 6 minus r is a 3 factorial equal to 5 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 3 is a 3 factorial. 5 factorial is a, we should write 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 6 factorial, we should write like this, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. So 3 factorial cancel. So we should multiple this value is 14,400. It's a multiple value is what? 14,400. That's all. Fourth sum. Find the number of arrangements that can be made out of the letters of the word. Is given this word is how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total number of words is what? Letters is 13. Total number of letters in the word assassination. In the word A occurs 3 times. A is 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. S occurs 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 S is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So S occurs 4 times. Next, I occurs 1 2, so 2 times. Next n occurs 2 times, 1 2, so 2 times. T occurs once. Next O occurs once. Record number of permutations. It's a total. We know that formula NPR equal to NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. It's repeated. These numbers. First one n factorial. N is what? Total number of letters is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 factorial. N is what? 13. So 13 factorial divided by A occurs 3 times. So 3 factorial. S occurs 4 times. So 4 factorial. I occurs 2 times. 2 factorial. N occurs 2 times. 2 factorial. T occurs once, so 1 factorial, its value is 1, no need here. O occurs once, so it's also 1 factorial, no need here, its value is what? 1. So 13 factorial divided by, arrange in order, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. That's all. Sixth sum. Find the rank of the word chat in dictionary. How to find out this word? The letters of the word chat in alphabetical order, or alphabetical order we should write first is the A letter, C, next H, next the last one is T. Number of words starting with A. Number of letters starting with A. Next is 3 letters there, so 3 factorial. Number of words starting with CA. So next is a CA. Here we should take a CA equal to, how many ways are remaining? It's a 2 letters, 2 remaining, so 2 factorial. Number of words starting with next we should take a H. We should write a CHA. We should search CHA equal to, remaining letter is what? Only 1, and then we get what is there? Only one way is so what is there? 1 factorial. Next is the last one, we should take a T, then we got that word. Rank of the word chat is 3 factorial. The first one is what? 3 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 1 factorial. That is equal to factorial. We know that n factorial is equal to, we know that n minus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 etc. up to 1. That is a factorial value. So 3 factorial means 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Up to 1 we should write 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 plus 2 factorial. 2 factorial is same formula we should use 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1 factorial is, already we know that value 1. 1 factorial value is what? 1. So 3 2s are 6. 6 into 1 is 6. So 6 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So the rank of the word chat is 9. That's all.